Hi friends, today we are going to make a coconut shell bowl since it's easy to make and it's an healthy alternative to plastic, metal and glass bowls. It will not melt, it will not break, so it's ideal. We can make it easily if you have a coconut in your home. You just need to pluck a coconut from the coconut tree or buy a coconut or just obtain a coconut. Okay. Then just peel the outer skin away. Now break the shell, eat and drink the stuff inside and just dry the shell. We need dried shell. We will get two portions of these coconut shells, one with 3 dots in it, and we do not need that portion since it's weak and create holes. We need the tough bottom part. And after obtaining this, the work is pretty easy. You can either use a power tool or just a sandpaper to rub inside and out of the coconut shell to polish it. Yeah, it's that. Yeah, that's it. Your bowl is ready. Or you can make any kind of like bowls or teacups or any kind of thing by doing extra work. And here it is, it's ready to use. I hope you understand something from this video. It's easy to make these coconut shells and it's very better choice than the plastic or another metal or glasswares. So if you can use or if you can buy something like this, then you must go for it.